We have been working all across Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East for more than 20 years now. And we specialize in lean training and consulting, along with operational excellence and business excellence. In this video, I'm going to talk about the meaning of lean. Lean has many meanings, and one of the most basic meanings is to identify, reduce, and if possible, eliminate the waste. The waste is typically also called the non value adding or the muda. So, in simple terms, we can say lean means to identify, reduce, and if possible, eliminate the waste or the muda or the non value adding. So, there are three elements in this: identify, reduce, and if possible, eliminate. So, we first need to see where is the muda. Then we have to use the lean pillars and the lean tools so that we can apply those tools and we can reduce the waste. And most importantly, the third word which I have used is if possible. Muda will never be zero. It gets transformed from one stage to another. So lean means, in very precise form, it means to identify, reduce and eliminate the waste on a continual basis. If I have to put it in perfect terms, lean means to create excellence or even perfection by continual identification, reduction and if possible elimination of the waste across the entire value chain on a continual basis. We can't do it once, we have to do it on a continual basis. Lean also means to reduce the throughput time. When we are able to reduce the non-value adding, we are able to reduce the throughput time. When we reduce the throughput time, we are able to increase the business turns and therefore we can do more business cycles during the year. So the second most fundamental meaning of lean is to reduce the throughput time. We can also define lean as to improve the value adding ratio. There are two parts of the throughput time. One is the value adding time and another is the non value adding time. Lean tries to reduce the non value adding, yet it attacks the non value adding, but the value adding time remains constant. So the value adding ratio, which is a ratio between VA time and the total throughput time, has to be continually improved. VA cannot change, it is only the NVA which has to reduce. So the technical meaning of lean operational excellence means to improve the value adding ratio for creating business excellence. By applying all these terms, what are we trying to create? We are trying to create excellence. We are trying to create more profitability. We are trying to address cost by application of the lean pillars and the tools which attacks the non-value adding. Thank you.